Let us start next part of these chemical reactions of diazonium salts, benzene diazonium chloride. That is second part, coupling reactions. As that is here, what is retained? Retain of N2 group, N2 plus group, that is diazo group. Okay, that is to be observed here, which are important in competitive as well as PU purpose. I would like to write benzene diazonium chloride in this manner for better understanding. N2 plus Cl minus benzene diazonium chloride is with phenol. Phenol I am writing like this, vertical lines we are writing for our convenience only. Joining is very easy, and you are maintaining the reaction condition as alkaline. Yes, that is not too alkaline, too low alkaline or too high alkaline. Not less basic and more basic. Some optimum pH conditions we have to observe in order to get the product. Yes, here hydrogen is to be removed with the Cl and N2 group is present. Therefore, what you have to copy? Benzene ring is copied in this way. Generally, we are writing in this style. We are very familiar and habituated, but you are also able to write in this way for our better understanding. And this is attached with which group? N2 group. How? N triple bond becomes N double bond N. Then that is attached with benzene ring. This side here hydrogen is replaced, and this is with OH group. As with respect to this group, this is first carbon and this is fourth carbon. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Therefore, it is known as para-hydroxy. Para-hydroxy. The entire structure is known as azobenzene. Para-hydroxy, azobenzene. Yes. It has orange color. These are known as dyes. Orange color, and it is an example of azo dye. Dye is color, and these are azo dyes. What is the color produced when benzene diazonium chloride is mixed with phenol? A similar reaction we have to take for JE orientation. As that is with benzene diazonium chloride, N2 plus Cl minus, and it is mixed with naphthol, 2 naphthol, that is beta naphthol, 2 benzene rings. As this is first carbon, this is second carbon, and it is better to write here, no problem, OH, and it is known as 2 naphthol or beta naphthol Right. In this case, how do you apply the knowledge in the first case, in the second, in the second case? Yes. Here also, orange red color dye is formed. Orange red color dye is produced. These dyes are known as azo dyes, and this reaction is called coupling reaction, and this is the right area to be attached this N2 group. Then how do you draw this structure? Very simple. This is a benzene ring of benzene diazonium chloride, and it has N2 group, that is N double bond N, and that is attached with the first carbon of this naphthalene structure. Then that is drawn like this, and it is another one, and OH is copied as usual like this. Name is not required, just you are able to write the identify one of the products. This is correct one, over. And the third one is, here the reaction condition is alkaline, that you have to maintain. Yes, take this one. here it is phenol and here it is naphthol. Both are similar compounds, and attachment you have to observe. Colors are to keep in your mind. And here, what is the pH to be maintained? That is for S. That is pH is between 9 to 10. More pH is taken, means more basic nature is taken. That base is interfering this phenol, and phenoxide ion is formed. That phenoxide ion is stabilized, not participated in nucleophilic reaction. If low pH is taken, and this is not that much weaker to participate in the reaction. Okay, too high basic conditions, too low basic conditions are not required. Next one is benzene diazonium chloride reacts with benzene diazonium chloride reacts with aniline. As aniline is benzene ring, as we are overfloating with this compound since many classes. So this is aniline. Now you are maintaining pH. Acidic conditions are required, and how is that acidic condition? That is 4 to 5 is the pH should be maintained. This is for Pu. This is for COM-T2. This is for COM-T2. This is for COM-T2. Just you are concentrating H plus and OH minus. Very, very important. This H plus a little bit deactivating. If it is more acidic, means pH is less, then aniline ion is formed, and it is less nucleophilic towards that one, not able to participate in the reaction. So reaction condition is very, very important. Yes, how do you write the product? Benzene as usual, and it is attached with which group? N double bond N, that is called diazo group, that is with another benzene ring, and this is attached with NH2. Yes, copy the name from the previous case. Like OH position, here it is NH2 and it is para amino group, that is, and remaining structure is known as azobenzene. Yes, this is for COM-T2, this is for COM-T2, and acidic medium are required. That is sufficient. Too low basic conditions, it is to be changed. Here phenoxide ion is not formed and it is not activated. Two more basic conditions are taken. Okay, these two reactants are differently changed and the expected product is not formed. And here the color is, this is important for PU point of view, yellow color is produced, yellow dye. What is the color may be asked. So orange color you have to prepare, yellow color you have to prepare, that is sufficient. Yes, how do we conclude a summary over the chemical properties of diazonium salts for better learning? I would like to give some schematic representation here. You can easily follow. C6H5N2 plus Cl minus. This is benzene diazonium chloride at the center. As if you treat with copper metal HCl, what is produced? Here copper metal HBr, here copper metal KCN, here cuprous cyanide with KCN, here cuprous chloride with HCl, right, here cuprous bromide with HBr, then here it is HBF4 and the product is formed, that is heated. This is next HBF4, you got a compound that is with NaNO2 copper metal, then with Ki with H3PO2 S with Ki and with ethyl alcohol. Better to write ethyl alcohol. C2H5OH, and it is with S phenol in alkaline medium, aniline in acidic medium. Which medium may be asked, and the products. Okay, if you prepare this chart and start practicing, this is very useful, and good luck to all of you, and better to prepare in a slow and steady manner. Okay, in regular classes we will meet in the regular classes and continue, and possible to clarify doubts. If you have any doubts, comment box is there. In the comment box, in the comments you have to do comments, and your doubts will be clarified. One student among 540 students, one student asked a doubt from the lesson, one of the lessons what I given, and that is answered immediately. That shows your interest. Your interest is very important. Your practice method is also important. Good luck to everyone, and see you in the next lesson. Good luck.